Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to draw a creepy and spooky pumpkin man step by step. So grab your pencil and paper and let's start drawing. First we will begin with the main shape of the pumpkin. Next we'll add the curved lines that give the pumpkin its round segmented shape. Now let's add the curved stem at the top of the pumpkin. We will refine the outer curves and complete the main pumpkin shape. Now we will add our pumpkin man a scary expression by adding two sharp angry eyes. Next, draw a small triangular nose between the eyes. Now comes the scary part. We'll draw a wide, creepy smile with sharp, jagged teeth. Let's add some rough twisted details around the sides of the pumpkin to make him look even more frightening. Now we'll start turning our pumpkin into a character by drawing the large torn collar around his neck. Now let's add the small tie hanging down from the center of the collar. Next we'll extend the drawing downward and sketch the main body of the pumpkin man. Now we'll draw sleeves on the both sides and give the clothing some rough torn edges. Let's add more lines to the coat to make the character look detailed and complete. Now we will add the lower part of the coat and shape the waist area. Finally, we'll draw the belt around his waist, add the buckle in the center. Let's clean up the drawing and strengthen the important lines so our pumpkin man really stands out. And there we have it, our creepy pumpkin man is complete. I hope you enjoyed drawing this spooky character. If you liked the tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more drawing videos.